Hey guys, I'm at the Honda Mini Moto event today, trying out a whole bunch of new mini bikes from the Grom, their Ruckus, to their new Navi, and the new Monkey. I want to concentrate on the Monkey because Lisa, who I've been doing a video on, rebuilding a Honda Z50.
It's a Monkey.
Check it out, guys!
124cc Monkey. It's basically like a big Z50.
Oh yeah! Hey guys, so I'm here with Derek from Honda Canada. Derek is the product planning manager.
That's me.
So Derek, this Monkey, this is the first time it's in Canada?
That's correct. It's been in the US for 2 years and we decided to bring it to Canada for the first time.
Tell me a little bit about this bike.
Sure. It's a 125cc bike, obviously a single seater, fuel injected. It's obviously a retro throwback to the old Z50 as we all know, kind of bringing back the nostalgic look. So it's got that appeal, that look of desire of what we've seen before. Been around for about six decades throughout the world. This bike is certainly a throwback to all the retro designs that you can see. It's got the two-tone paints, it's got the chrome touches, it's got the retro seat, the retro styling. It's a very exciting model overall. It's a 125cc engine. It is fuel injected. This one does have ABS, so it's ABS only in Canada, which is a nice feature for us. I think it's important. It's got about 4 inches of travel, front and back overall. The tank itself, or the seat, sorry, is about 30 inches, so a very accessible bike by height. It's just under 230 pounds, 229 exactly. So very, very maneuverable bike, so it'll appeal to a lot of people. So certainly a home run for us. We're excited to have it in Canada.
That's amazing.
Hey guys, the brand new Monkey is an absolute blast to ride. For city riding, you can't beat it. It's nimble, it's small, but it's got power, and with traffic jam and congestions the way they are now, this is the perfect little whippersnapper to get you around from point A to point B in the city. Don't forget to check out Lisa and her continuing journey where she builds a 43-year-old Honda Z50 into a new mini cafe racer. Check it out.